Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the fuel filter mentioned in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The fuel filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle at the rear. In order to change the fuel filter, it is necessary to lift the rear of the vehicle so that you can easily slide under the car and access the filter. Place the jack at the back of your vehicle, lift the vehicle, and place it on the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. This will allow you to visualize the fuel filter next to the tank. To gain easier access to the fuel filter, remove the brake cable from the metal hook and remove the hook. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw securing the filter retaining clamp. Get a collection can to collect the fuel, as it will come out of the filter. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. It is now time to disconnect the fuel lines. To disconnect each hose, press the coloured part of the connector with a flat screwdriver. Then at the same time, pull on the hose. To disconnect the fuel outlet hose, take a pair of pliers and press down on the flat part of the plastic fitting while prying with a flathead screwdriver. Remove the filter from its housing.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter. Compare it to the old one to make sure that they're identical. Remove the hose caps. Fit them on the old filter so as not to spill the fuel contained in the filter cartridge. Visualize the direction of the filter. Make sure that the centering pin on the filter is in the right place. Reinstall the 2 fuel connectors by clipping them onto the filter. Then, put the fastening screw on the plastic retaining clamp of the filter. Reclip the 3rd hose. Finish by refitting the brake cable. You can now put the vehicle on the ground. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.